Okay, only Yatta has these weird ass.
Wait a second, AFK more. AFK more.
Sana கொஞ்சம் மாவு கூட பெருக்கி தரேன் சப்பாத்தி சுடலாம் மாவுக்க பெருக்கி தரேன் நானே பட்டி தரேன் சப்பாத்தி சுடுறேன் ஆல்ரெடி நல்லா செய்தி தரேன்
Don't have to have more coughing. So, if you're wondering
Sona's
why,
gonna with the bell.
if you're wondering why,
Actually, sprout.
if you're wondering
Okay, fine, let's go, Shelly.
why,
Shelly, let's go. Let's go!
wait a second.
Wait, what sorts are you gonna take into mine? I want to add a voice, even though I'm a girl. Anyway,
No, me, you're getting the chipmunk. You're getting the chipmunk voice.
Then what voice are you getting?
The same. It applies to both of us.
Two chipmunks. I'm gonna change my trinkets to super extracting trinkets, so yeah. You too, Papi. If you want to get
What? You're not supposed to say my name.
yeah,
You're supposed to call me Nezu. No, I'm not.
okay, that's it. Probably started by R.
Okay, y'all pretend you didn't hear that, okay? Okay?
Can't you just cut it out?
I ain't cutting out anything, girly pops. Ready. Girly. Boy, ready up. Ready up, boy. You big
I don't have that
big
much. I don't have that much good extracting trinkets, to be honest. Perfect.
Perfect. By the way, I only have like a few stickers. You know, I haven't traded them.
It's
Speaker.
hey, this machine's mine.
Be careful, okay? Let me go find the other mouse.
Girl.
I literally was going the other way.
I like Tegan's twisted obstacles. I didn't know she was right behind me.
Bro, I was literally so low on stamina, but I ran so super fast. For chocolate, like what the fuck? Fuck.
I'm doing the last question.
Okay, Marilla. I can feel my heart breaking. The mistakes I made. Few videos 2001 trends dandy world dandy's world dandy world dandy's world trends be like 2010. Oh my god, you're fucking kidding me. Oh.
I didn't get plates for the other machine. Perfect. No, I'm being sarcastic.
No!
I'm crying.
I hate this dandy. I hate you. Let's not buy from him and me. Let's see. Let us get dandy. Let us get dandy. Let us get gangy flyer.
You did that much.
Ooh, oh my god. Almost get my sister. We might finish this fall pretty quick, actually.
Why did you finish it so fast?
Hee hee. Oh, Yara was on this floor, but we didn't encounter her yet. Bro, I just really want to buy JJ. You know, because I really... Spork plug. Did you just call me a genius?
My team said you aren't actually IRL.
Did you call me a genius?
Astro coconut.
Astro coconut.
Okay, I know where the fire machine is. Snatching the pop. I got a pop.
I have to pick up a lot of research capsules for the
Is he doing this?
eh, what the hell? Oh yeah, this is me and Moy. Oh fuck. Your husband is calling you, mother.
Ouch, I'm sorry.
Yes, by brush.
I need to stop getting hit.
Shit. I'm surrounded. I'm surrounded. I should stay away. Astro coconut. There's a machine over there.
Yeah, I can see.
Astro coconut.
Beautiful. I got a jumper cable near the machine.
Astro coconut. Astro coconut. Astro coconut.
Hey, Pop, can I finish it? Go on, down.
Oh well, I guess I have to spectate. Don't buy. Don't buy from him. Don't buy from him. Don't. If you buy from.
God, Dandy World God, please give me a med kit. Or at least a band. I'm begging you. I'll just crack for the next one day tomorrow. I swear if you do. That was a total surprise. No, literally. It was around the corner. How was I supposed to see it?
Astro coconut. Astro coconut. Yes, I have joined the Buckland team. Join me, I guess join me, join me. Shut up! Shut me! Oh, shut up, shut up. Shut the fuck up.
Shut up.
Shut up. Mayonnaise burger up. Astro coconut. Wait. Sprout coconut. Sprout coconut. Because of his hairline. Anyways, let's go. Go this way. You wanna go with that guy?
No. This way?
Astro coconut. Astro coconut. Monster coconut.
Actually, let's go matchmaking.
Yeah. Monster coconut. Monster coconut. Please shut up. Yes, I said boss.
What the heck?
Board over here can make my voice. Or I could make it deep.
What? I'm saying high pitch. Gosh, I have 15%, 14% energy. Yeah, I'm ready. There's no distractor.
Where did the sprout go?
There was a sprout? Oh, somebody's being rude. I guess they're...
Oh, Pebble.
Yeah.
Peb.
Okay, I
Peb.
thought I was speed
Peb.
because I don't choose.
Peb. Me. Oh, fuck. By the way, I did not say Moi's real name. I say Yummy. which is short for yummy. Why? Because this is a very good game round. A matchmaking. Ooh, taste! I will totally take them. Let's go Sprout, totally. Astro coconut. Astro fucking coconut. Astro fucking coconut.
Gosh, I should have been called.
Shut up. Oh my god.
Smash macaroni feels sort of bad.
It's not that bad though. Ahmed.
You took it? Oh my god, you're so lucky. This is so bad.
I'm praying I just saw Louis Louis die. I'll quickly do the smash.
I feel like taking the med again. Someone want her?
Why are you crying, Yatta? And I got a med kit. Don't. Dandy, I'm gonna peel your skins off. Rip. Dandy, I'm gonna peel your skin off. Take out your organs. And then I'm gonna rip off your petals, and then I'm gonna grab pasta and ingredients for yummy, totally not cannibal pasta recipe, and then I'm gonna make that recipe out of your organs. Why is Louis chasing Yatta? Yatta chasing Louis. Wait, you lied at being at one?
No, I took a med.
Fuck. Shit, I'm
Don't
so
understand?
cooked. Shrimp is chasing me. Oh my god, shrimp. No, shrimp, no. No! Shrimp, leave me alone! Shrimp! Oh!
That's a piece of shit.
Leave me alone! Shrimp left me alone.
Please can't do
I might as well eat this candy. Where are you, me? Get here fast! Fast! Quick, fast! fast, quick, fast. Is it a penny pincher? Wait, penny pincher and spare change are like
Good boy.
there's two yattas and one of them are you, and there's two fins and one of them is me.
Pears alone.
That's the coconut.
I can have a peek of the map. I took a peek of the map.
Oh my god.
Louie, stop camping us.
Louie blah blah me. Get. Anyways, where are you? Where are you, Mike? That's the coconut. Let's search.
That top can what? Probably she's telling me to do the mission.
Me, hurry up with that mash. Oh my god. This man. Oh my god, I hate this guy, bro. I'm just gonna stay here and stare. Who the frick, boyfriend?
You still have that medikit, don't you?
Yes, because I did lose any of my hearts. I choke Shelly coconut. Shelly coconut. Go, 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 go. Shelly coconut.
Gigi,
Shelly coconut.
don't touch me. Oh, honey, don't touch me anymore.
No, Gigi.
Outside your door, you better avoid her.
My rabies gambler. Yes, I'm talking about Gigi. What's the seashell? Where's the Shelly and Finn interaction TV, bro?
I found the last machine.
Where's the Shelly and Finn interaction TV?
It's sort of near Ellen.
Where?
Not fake Ellen.
So, question for y'all. Have you all seen these AI dandies will slop? No, like when they're so lazy to even animate something, they just use AI, bro. Like, what the fuck? It's you, Ella! Fatter! You guys definitely need that. Drink iced coffee. Panic attack. Drink iced coffee. Panic attack. And I'm a friend of Finn. Your name tag is? Yeah, I friended the 2 people on the server.
Oh my glasses.
Here, I think. Yeah, it's here.
Ma, it's here. Wait a second, I'll go get Mommy her glasses. Question for you. Question for you all. Do you guys like mangoes? Mangoes, if you do. Yeah, you're my friend now. Why? Because mangoes, they are super duper delicious. And I found a dual machine in me. Yummy. Like a bag of talking. Oh, Oi, you're here. Oi. Gawk, gawk. Actually, gawk, gawk. Actually, it's actually gawk, gawk. No, it's gawk, gawk. Yes, that's a character from Demon Slayer. If you don't know Demon Slayer, then just check my profile. And then just search it up on Google, Tumblr, Pinterest, or YouTube. And yes, I ship seashell and Newberry. But since I'm moved to ship also. And also I ship my LC with Poppy. Yeah. By the way, my LC is a girl. And yeah. Stop. Fine. Yeah, protein bars. Yeah. The fin. No, it's twisted fin, bro. No, Tegan's on this. Okay. Okay, but why are all the twisted camping Ella? Like, bro, what the fuck? Hey!
I'm sorry. But I am really, really lost.
you. You are my play.
There's 12.
Oh my god, you. Did any of you guys buy from Nanny? Guys, why is there iCloud leaks on the...
Was there last? No, Gene! Don't steal my house.
Astro coconut. Astro fucking coconut.
Did you steal your med?
No! Fucking needed that GG. Cosmo. No. No!
Who died?
Anyways. Let's play another game.
Yeah, 1 sec. Let me finish this now.
Bye.
And finish my book.
Eat the pork. Eat the pork and run around like a chicken.
I'm gonna keep on playing with this team until.
Anyways, I'm gonna go get some food. Green Tom. Linggang guli. Watch that linggang.
I'm still on the round, by the way.
Okay, linggang guli. Watch that linggang guli. Yum, terrible. Have any of you eaten terrible before?
Okay, I'm gonna. Let's play.
No.
Yes, I have 5 different cards.
Just join me, please. I'll get some spread. For me, yeah, I do, and eggs. Why? Because it was. More rice cakes and some rice cakes. Moy, why aren't you joining me? Moy. Why aren't you playing with me?
Hey, both of you get up and go and clean the house now.
I cleaned it.
எத்தனை சாவடிச்சிடுவோம் என்ன நீ க்ளீன் பண்ணிக்கிற
There.
ஆஃப் பண்ணு ஃபோனுங்கள
Keep my phone in charge.